Hey everybody, so for this video I'm going to show you guys the best homemade lock ever. I came up with this idea myself after racking my brain for several weeks. I came up with the greatest idea, guys. You guys are going to love this. So all it is a little hole here wherever you want your lock to be, and once I put a handle on there you won't see that little hole. And what I came up with that's stronger than any RFID lock, fingerprint scanner lock, anything, for literally $7. This is the strongest lock ever. Let me show you guys what this is. So if any of you guys got a sliding door or patio door at home, all I did was use the locking mechanism out of that, which you can see right there above the motion activated light. It's just a plain old simple patio door lock that you get at Home Depot or Lowe's for $7 with that little lock right there. And then I use this eye bolt here underneath the table, so when I lock it, the eye bolt catches right inside that arm there that's very strong. And once I close the top and lock it, it's very, very strong and secure. There's no play in there at all, no movement at all inside the table. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is the best homemade lock ever. If you're looking for something that's strong and durable and not going to break, not plastic, this is it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks, everybody.